Well, Kalyan Jewelers Celebrity Cricket League powered by Parley 2020 cookies. The excitement here at the Kochi ground is phenomenal. You can see the Kerala strikers sitting comfortably, very happy. They seem to be the position that they are in. 9 for no loss.
A crowd of 70,000 at this venue, and really not a seat vacant. That shows the interest of this game. This is a high intensity game, no doubt about that. Kerala Strikers, of course, playing at home, and Mumbai Heroes having some big stars in the ranks. Even the first game of this season, this afternoon, was a cracker. That's a peach of a delivery. Excellent carry as well here for Sunny. He's really looking good. He's looking sharp as well.
Godrejion is the green appliances partner for CCL Season 3. Godrejion makes the most energy efficient appliances. You can support the cause by support One Word Project by logging on to www.onewordproject.com and pledging to save some watts.
He's really looking very focused here. The mega star. Definitely boosting the confidence of his team, Kerala Strikers.
The megastar would definitely be pleased with the effort of the Kerala Strikers team. Very happy about the settings, about the way the ground has been set up by the organizers. Meanwhile, Sunny continues to impress, putting the ball in the right areas, making the batsman feel for it, and he's just conceded 3 runs, nearly 2 overs of his.
Yeah, the first 5 balls have been draw deliveries. That's again a very good delivery. End of a maiden over. The first one of this game, 9 without loss.
Sonu Sood back in the hunt for his first wicket. Celebrity Cricket League Season 3 sponsored by Kalyan Jewelers and co-sponsored by Parley 2020 Cookies. It's like a big shot over the mid-wicket region. Will it go to the fence? Yes, it does. Pitching it slightly short on that occasion, and Pauly doesn't really spare those.
He uses a lot of bottom hand, and once again, Sonu Sood trying to bang in short, but on this occasion, Pauly was up to it, playing in the wicket area, and then managing a boundary for himself. Second for him. Down the leg side this time. Should be a wide. Yes, there's a call from Ashoka De Silva. Very important for Sonu Sood to complement the efforts of Sunny, who's really bowled well so far at the other end. To create that pressure going. Once again, will be more runs. Stish in the deep. That's Varun.
But I think Kerala strikers have come out with a strategy that Pauly will be the aggressor and Pillai will block one end or keep one end going. And it's a good strategy to employ because in 2020 cricket is always not slam bang affair. You need to plan your chase as well. So I think that could be a plan. But Mumbai Heroes, to their credit, have started really well. They haven't really conceded too many boundary deliveries, and they're making the batsmen work hard for their runs. Oh, there was a chance, but slightly out of the reach of mid-off fielder. Pillai gets his first boundary.
In fact, he was playing with the full face of the blade. Boom Chika Wawa boundary up by Raji Pillai, taking on the full on that occasion. And full face of the blade shown by him as a reason just eluded the mid-off fielder. They are very happy, delighted as well because the runs are coming in this over. Will manage a single already after 4 deliveries in this over. 11 runs have come. This is a productive over so far.
Well, the team will have to give some encouragement, some layer of hope for the Mumbai Heroes. But Kerala's strikers are sitting pretty at the moment. 20 for no loss, 10 wickets in hand, 135 is the target. A good ball, foolish length. A good ball to bowl to Pauly because what he's trying to do is to unsettle Sonu Sood. He's just walking across the crease and looking to play him over the square leg or the mid-wicket region. But by doing that, if he misses one, Sonu Sood is very well into the game and the LBW dismissal comes into play.
Also, good will be for him that he bowls further up to the batsman because he's very strong of the back foot. Pauly, dot ball to finish the 4th over, 20 without loss.
Starts off well, but what a brilliant shot! Pillai playing with the full face of the bat, just helping it over the bowler's head for a superb boundary.
Well, that's a lovely strike, straight as an arrow once again from Pillai. Exactly how he managed his first boundary as well. This was an excellent shot from him. Always a very safe area. They are pretty happy. Runs are coming up. 100 so far maintained by Kerala strikers, 5.76. This time just leave on the onside. Finding the fielder on its way.
Pillai seems to have switched gears now. He's looking to take the attack to the opposition. Varun Badola is not generating a lot of pace, so I think Pillai has made up his mind to use the field restrictions to good effect. Make use of the power play overs as a wide delivery again. And just as you see the batsman charging in, how often have you seen that the bowler usually tends to stray away from the batter?
That's Sohail Khan, the team owner of Mumbai Heroes, looking totally engrossed in the game. That's much better from Varun. That's exactly what he's got to do. But again, very good running. As soon as he played with soft hands, both of them were off in a flash.
Yeah, the coordination between the two is very, very, very good. I must say that when you have a crowd of 70,000 and the noise that they are making, it's very difficult to hear the call. So basically, you have to have trust in your partner, and such singles happen only when you have total trust and confidence in the partner. So you don't really look at the ball, but you look into the eyes of your partner and then make that decision. Chance of a wicket and a brilliant catch. What a catch! At mid-off, running straight ahead. Shabbir has plucked ball out of the thin air.
Oh, that's a tremendous, really a terrific catch. The ball was dipping, but just see the efforts of Shabir keeping eyes on the ball and taking off the beauty, and a wicket for Varun Badola. It is very first over. That's a very important wicket as well because Pauly was shaping well. He was looking good, but now he's got to go back to the pavilion for 30. The man on strike at number 3 down the leg side. Once again, Varun wide the call from the umpire. But as soon as he walked in, there was big cheers for Indrajit. At and once again, just clobbering on the onside. What a strike! This is tremendous. Excellent hitting. They're all delighted. Moody as well, clapping for his team. Boom, Chikawawa 6. And that was the maximum one.
Well, I think it's over delivery outside the off stump, but if they had seen it earlier, fetching it right from outside the off stump, hugging it over long one, and a maximum 6 at the start of the innings.
From Pillai. That's a good leave. 13 runs from the over. 33 for 1.